Go.
Hi, welcome with all of my friends. We decided to read a book today since it's a snowy day outside and they're a little bit grumpy. So we chose an appropriate book called Grumpy Bird. So thanks for joining us, and here we go. Do not disturb. Bird looks a little grumpy. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, he said. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Oops, I think I missed that. Nope. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Oh, look, there's a carrot. Rabbit's eating a carrot. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? Looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. See Beaver's long teeth? Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird's a little grumpy. Bird walked past Fox. Look at, that's a red fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everybody want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox, let's go. Bird walked, the other animals walked. Bird stopped, and the other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg, and the other animals stood on one leg. That's not easy to do for some animals. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. They jumped way up high. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. He looks surprised, doesn't he? Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to the nest for a snack. And they did. Do you know what they're having for a snack? A worm, because that's what Bird likes, is a worm. So if you're feeling a little grumpy like Bird, when you're kind of stuck at home, you can always go out and play in the snow, or you can read a good book like The Grumpy Bird. See you soon.